All right, today is the day that we're gonna make a top load updraft gasifier, or TLUD. What we're gonna do is this barrel is gonna sit in this barrel, and they're both gonna be poured in a particular way to make sure that the air flows up through that. And we're gonna do this to make some biochar. So I'm gonna start with the little barrel here, and I'm gonna make a cross section, and then I'm gonna do a ring.
With a feel good glow, black that ash up, black that ash up. Deadwood towers in the wasteland breeze, bones of the forest knocking knees. Sun hits different when.
So now that we've got all of our holes drilled here in the bottom, next thing we need to do is we need to port the sides right here.
No smolder, no smoke, just a blast from the sun. Carbon goes jet black, tight and tough. So
all right, our 35-gallon barrel is ported on the bottom. I'm gonna do 2 lines of ports up here. I'm gonna do one up here, and I'm gonna do one there, and that's really gonna increase the airflow. So, man, I love step bits.
Black that ash up, let the ground wake slow. Black that ash up, black that ash up.
Ported here.
We hit the heat quick, start the air till it's tight.
So on this one, I'm gonna drill bigger holes because I'm only gonna have ports at the bottom, and I need to make sure that it brings lots of air in. So I'm gonna probably send this thing all the way through. See how that goes.
Micro building cities with the living architect. Charge it up first so the roots can suck. Yeah, you can pee on the pile just to load it up. Nitrogen, probiotics.
All right, so in order to nest this inside here, we need to cut a hole in this lid. The marker's dead. I gotta go get a new marker. All right, new marker. Don't you just hate it? It seems like every time you're gonna film a video about making a TLUD, you grab the marker that doesn't work. Classic.
Black that ash up. Yeah.
Hey, now we're talking.
Black that ash up. Charge it up.
Boom. All right, so since this particular barrel has this raised ridge, I can't just drop it in my hole. So what I'm gonna have to do is make a relief cut in my, I'm gonna call this collar, so that I can split it and slide it around there. All right, there we go. Nice. High five. Yes. And now, does look good. If you're gonna be running an angle grinder inside a barrel, don't be a fool. Get your eyes and ears on.
Black that ash up, let the ground wake slow.
We're all nice and smooth here. Let's fill it up and light it up. So it's called a top load updraft gasifier because we load it from the top.
Bones of the forest knocking knees.
The vents at the bottom make it updraft, and it's virtually smokeless because it's gasifying everything.
Run, no smolder, no smoke, just a blast from the sun. Carbon goes jet black, tight and tough. So wakes up.
Okay, so made some changes because what I noticed is as the barrel started to burn, we started losing oxygen and it wasn't given an efficient burn. So what I did is I made more holes and I made them a little bit bigger where I could, and then I did more holes on the bottom. So now we're gonna fire this bad boy up and see if we can get past the first little burn. Seems like we're getting a much more efficient burn on this one now. You can see the flames. You can see it coming out of the ports. Yeah, way better. It just needed more air.
Whoa, did you see it? Oh, shooting! Shooting! Wow! Whoa!
There we go, we're getting the gasification.
Whoa!
All that coming out of it.
I can hear a blowing. Yeah, look at all of the streams!
Yeah, that blowing noise is the air getting sucked into the system.